Welcome happy campers, it's me Amanda here with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're taking a look at this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 260 RD. Before we get started, thank you for watching. Like our video and subscribe to our channel, and let's get started. Starting on the outside of this tried and true Reflection floor plan, we have a giant open space with a massive awning with an LED light strip. This is great for shade if you're watching the game or hanging out with your family and friends. And we don't have any slides to impede on our outdoor entertainment space. We also have outdoor speakers that are marine grade, and this thing gets loud. We turned up the music a few videos back, so you gotta check that out if you missed that. But we also have some stairs that pull out from the outside of the camper. You can always upgrade your stairs, especially here at Cookeville RV and Marine. And we have even more storage. Our pass-through storage is big enough for some of those camper chairs or even cornhole boards if we have to bring them along. I like that they give you a separated space for your cords if they happen to be wet, muddy, who knows if it's been raining outside. And it gives you a place to have some cord management, especially on this side, so we don't have to keep this pass-through storage open every time you want to have something plugged in. We have a nice way to sort of snake in our wires here and keep it all closed and locked. We also have our battery disconnect here on our door side, and our convenience bay is on that side. Of course, when we get to the campground, everything we need is there. We also have our leveling right on that side as well. Let's step inside. Here I am right next to our entryway door. I wanted to point out a few things as we do have our screen door, comes standard, automatically closes, and I love that. We also have all of our convenience area for the inside of the camper right to our right. That includes our control panel, with all of our slides, awnings, and lights, as well as our indoor-outdoor speaker system controls, and even our solar gauge that they added on. You can tell that we are currently using, I think, or maybe charging. It depends on the arrow, depends. But one thing I do want to point out that I appreciate of this layout is you have all of that space outside, and you even have some windows so you can take a look outside at your door area, as well as from behind the camper so we can see if we've got a pizza delivery on the way, or if some kids are playing ding dong ditch. But let's talk about this rear dinette area. The main event of this floor plan is this massive dinette that is gonna be awesome for family and friends to hang around and eat and maybe even do a puzzle on a rainy day. It does conveniently close down with just 2 levers down here. You push it down and it's a big sleeping space. And of course we have our cushions here that make it super comfy. I would definitely sleep really great in a space like this. But my question for you guys is, where do you store your cushions? I see them when they come in, they're out in the living space. Are we hiding them away in the closet, putting them under the bed? Let me know what you guys choose to do. But behind our cushions, we have another giant window that's gonna be amazing for wherever we're parked, as well as each side you've got smaller windows, so lots of cross ventilation airflow here. But let's move to the other seating option. In the only side of this camper, we have our theater seating option next to our refrigerator. Now this is a 3-seater, it reclines, and I believe we even have, yes, a nice big armrest with some cup holders, and this is a great little space that we can wipe off and keep it clean. So if you happen to be just you two on the weekend, that's fine. If not, you can definitely have more people sitting and relaxing. We've got heated elements, lights, as well as massage elements in this. So this is a really great seat to have. It also has a good view to that TV, but we'll get to that in a second. And we also have our fridge here to my left. This is a Furrion fridge, and I wanted to take note at the lock system they've given on this particular fridge. It is a little bit different than anything I've seen, but definitely seems the most sturdy and the best quality. I like that we can see our temperature on the outside, and we've got lots of room on the inside. And we even have a pantry option to the right here, or even just extra storage. We can fit some of those taller cereal boxes or those organizing containers here. So that's always good to know. But our kitchen is a typical L-shaped workstation. It's very tall. All of our cabinets seem to go all the way up to the ceiling. We've got lots of places, even back there, for extra things. If we're carrying a blender or an air fryer, we can definitely store them in this camper. We even have a wine rack here with a great place to slide some of our wine glasses in, and even more storage all the way up here. Now this is massive. We can carry some of the taller things, so you may even be able to fit those cushions in there. I don't know. We have a Furrion microwave above our 3-burner top Furrion stove. Plenty of workspace around it. We even have a pot and pan drawer next to maybe another spice drawer. So a cook for this kitchen is going to enjoy how easy it is to get to everything. We also have our sink front and center with a nice drying rack on top. And of course, I love that it also lets you do the dishes easier. A little extra storage down below, but our entertainment space is not far away. So even if you're cooking, you can watch TV while you do that. We do have lights that turn on and off underneath here just by a switch, but we've got lots of natural lighting flooding in to this space. Countertop space, and check out all of these drawers down below. These are massive and can double as a good space for your guests to keep some of their personal items if they happen to be sleeping in that rear dinette area. But let's move up the stairs and to the bathroom. Our bathroom is hidden by a sliding pocket door that can secure for travel. We have plenty of space for one person to get ready, a good amount of space near our sink area, and a massive sink for washing your hands, face, and maybe even other things if you happen to get your swimsuit extra dirty, hiking in the mountains. That sounds so fun. But we have a mirrored front medicine per usual, and another mirror front cabinet on the other side above our toilet for extra towels and such. And they've even added a towel rack underneath that. And the shower is hidden by these lovely frosted glass doors that are secured for travel with a metal latch. We also have a matching black shower head to all the other accents in this camper. And again, for a reference, I'm about 5'11", and I'm nowhere near this awesome skylight. We have a mesh pocket system as well as a clothesline so we can dry some things if you've got extra towels. More than one person is taking a shower. This is definitely a good floor plan to skip that campground bathroom. But let's check out the private bedroom. This bedroom comes with its own private door as well as enough space to walk around your bed, to get in the bed, as well as get into some of this closet and storage space. We've got sconces that are updated. I really like the look of these updated sconces on both sides, as well as storage all around. If we're a book reader or even want a place to put our electronics, we can charge them, maybe even set them up on this little ledge here. As you can see, we have a USB charger that is ready to go. We do have a 12-volt battery system plugged in here, but you could probably run some of this on solar. As far windows go, as you can tell, we've got our windows open for this particular video, and I'll go ahead and slide this open. Check out all of the airflow. We can yell at the people that are hanging out outside. If your kids happen to be running away, or even your dogs, we can scream at them. And we've got a really great view to our Happy Camper store there. That's our store. Come and visit us at Cookeville RV and Marine. But one more thing, an extra closet. We have a hanging rod in our closet for this bedroom. It is a very massive closet, so you use it for hanging, or we could fill this with shelves and make it a nice closet for maybe just folded clothes. But you do have 4 extra drawers down below, so 2 for her, 2 for him, and mirrored front, so we don't have to bring a full-length mirror on our trip, just to make sure that everything's looking good. But do you have any questions about this floor plan or any other floor plan on the Grand Design Reflection line? Then give us a call here at Cookeville RV and Marine, or visit us online at cookvillerv.com, where your venture awaits.